amazing son that not just an example to the world, but it's that same young man at home. And I always tell people he's my gift, along with my other children, my daughter and my oldest son. He never gave us no problems. He's always obedient. He's a humble kid. He'll rather see us happy before he need it.
Okay.
And many kids is not like that. And so me as his mom, I'm so thankful for you. I love Coach Alfred. He was a great guy. And I love all the coaches. But I'm happy that he made his decision because we've been waiting for this day too. We really didn't know, so I'm proud of you, son. And I know the future is going to be great for you. God bless you.
I just want to say thank you to everybody here that's participated. There's countless people you can thank. One of the biggest phrases you want to hear, that it takes a village to raise a child, and that is also true. The environment has a lot of effect on children today. And one of the things that we want to be thankful for is the environment that we placed our son in Hamilton High School, Will, all the coaches. I just want to thank the coaches that often provide a scholarship. A lot of kids don't get that. They always ask me, well, it's pretty difficult getting all this attention, but I'd rather have it like this and not have any offers at all. I just want to say I'm proud of my son. He's put a lot of effort in, a lot of days on the court just doing left-handed layups. So there's a lot that goes into this, and he's worked hard on it. I never had to ask him if he's ready to go to the park. He was always ready to play. I had to come home and get him, bring him home. But I'm real proud of him. I'm proud of him as a student, and most of all, I'm proud of his character. He's been a great son, and I really do appreciate it. I just know the future will be bright. I just want to stay focused and stay on course. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all of you to be here today. It's meant a lot for Hamilton High School to have such a wonderful young man. And does he look good in that jacket? Does he look good? All right. At this time, what we would like to do is have some refreshments and a little bit of food in room 274 to celebrate this wonderful occasion. Thank you, everyone, for coming.